My name is Yuzuki. I'm from Japan. I'm 19 years old and I'm digital film production student at Sunway University in Malaysia. I like nature, so I enjoy going out to picnics and taking pictures. I've loved nature since I was little and enjoyed going to parks, gardens, and beaches with my family and friends. I think nature is refreshing and can help relax the mind when I'm feeling sad or stressed. When I was 15, the COVID-19 pandemic began and we were forced to stay at home. I couldn't go out to see my friends or grandparents anymore. It was sad having to stay home and not being able to go out. It was hard to get through, but after the lockdown, I could reconnect with nature again. I got to take more pictures and treasure the good memories out in nature. I was reminded once again of how nature had the power to refresh the soul. It has shown me how precious moments spent in nature can bring peace and joy, making me more grateful for every little experience. I hope nature can be preserved so I can visit more beautiful places and make more memories by taking pictures. If you feel stressed or want to refresh your mind, try visiting nature. Nature can calm your mind and make you happier.